Hello folks, this is Mammoth Spring, Arkansas, just south of Missouri in the Ozark Mountains. A couple miles south of Missouri. And there's Charlie and Jean walking over there, walking over towards the little powerhouse there. There's a railroad track over here. We've seen trains on it before, and a little railroad station. And then some nice trees and a museum. And if you look right here, you can see a little bit about it. 235 million gallons of water today come through the spring. Average rate of 9.78 million gallons an hour. The temperature is a constant 58 degrees. Can you imagine that? Fish are not able to survive because of the high nitrogen rate. Wow. Interesting stuff. I am hearing the water going over the dam over here. They do have a little bit of a powerhouse that we may be able to see. It's a popular place for people who are coming through the area, and pretty neat spot. I had a train go through here one time when we were going through, and I took some pictures of it, but I don't have a video of it. I don't think Charlie's too sure about all this. There's a manual spring operated, what do they call it? The water goes through and pull it up. Spring River. Dog here, and Charlie will not know what to do. He would like to say hello, but at the same time, he's been bitten before by dogs, so he's behaving himself today. That's very good. See if we can get a sign here. You read that there? Leave it there for a minute. You may have to stop the video to see all that. Where you going, Charlie? Quite a bit of greenery here. Used to be able to go in this powerhouse. I don't know if they can or not. I'm going to walk around here and see. Floodgates have to pick all those things that look like they work. Yeah. Looks like it might be open, or at least got a window. Yeah, there's the turbine right there. Oh, all those manual switches. Yeah. There's what your telephone used to be operating on too. Wow. All that stuff. Back in the day, when I was young, I remember all this. I'll just come in and say hello. Manual stuff, it doesn't break there. Oh, you can even climb up on it so you get not. Get a manual crank right there. For cranking the switches, I guess. All kinds of stuff here. Those cables in there. The big old wheel where it goes around. Looks like there's a gears in there. And then there's some electric windings. Copper winding, I'm sure, inside those taped up wires. Turbine run by water turns it, there turns it to generate electricity. There's that big old generator there. Look at that. Part of it. Wow. There's a railroad track over there, right by the sidewalk. A little landing place down there for kayakers and canoers, picnic area, swimmers, whatever. Hello, how are y'all?
Good, how are y'all?
Doing good. I don't know what this little blockhouse is. Doesn't look like somebody's gonna be let in there for sure. I wonder what that is, really. I wonder if there's a sign on the other side, maybe. Let's look inside. I don't know. That looks serious. Nothing in there right now. Let's see if there's a sign on the other side. No sign, no nothing. I don't know. Maybe I can find out put it in the description. Yeah, it was a happy day one day. A big old engine came here pulling a train while we were walking along. And I was into still photography then, and so I really didn't get any video. If one comes along today, well, I just might do that. There's another look at the spring. The actual outflow is far away to the end there. How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
All right. There's a little powerhouse there in the visitor center.